Just being a princess, aren't I?
Being a diva.
Yeah. Hey guys, welcome back to another Thank Truck It's Friday. We haven't done a truck tour in so long, so we're going to do one on this Actros. Well, we've got something pretty fully loaded for you. This is showing off almost everything that we do for trucks and everything that we manufacture as well. This Actros really is loaded with extras. I'm just going to show you around it. Unfortunately, there's no real build footage of it or anything like that because it was a rush job for the customer. We just had to push it through, but I'm still going to show you around it nonetheless. We'll start at the top. Indel B Sleeping Well 1600 air conditioning unit. Super powerful parking cooler, so you don't need the engine running. It's wired to the permanent live of the truck. Got a built-in battery guard so it doesn't drain your batteries. You can pull up at night, pull up on your brake, with the AC on, not with the engine driven AC, obviously that AC, and it's going to drop the temperature in your cab between 8-10 Celsius roughly from where it is. So if it is 30, it's going to bring it down to a much more comfortable level whilst you're on your brake there. It will run in eco mode for about 7 hours before it will kick itself off with the built-in battery guard, which is fantastic. So more than enough for your night's sleep, or certainly to get you to sleep, and then obviously it will cool down overnight anyway, so that's great. Looks awesome in the white, and then inside in the cab as well there's an interior trim panel because obviously it's taking up the space of the sunroof. Comes with all the multi-directional vents. It's got a nice digital display and a remote control as well, so you can lay on your bunk and control your temperature pretty much. Moving down, LightFix skylight bar with 4 UltraLED Utah spotlights on it, full LED spotlights, dual position light on those as well, so they've got white and amber, and the full LED beam is mentally bright. It's bright today, so you're probably not going to see it, but trust me, they're a very bright light. And the LightFix bar, we've said it before on the channel, they just style it and complement the truck so well. I think they do a great job, the guys at LightFix, and we're really proud of it, working with them. We'll move down a bit further. We've got more UltraLED lighting. We've got the UltraLED grill strobes, 4 of those on the front here. Again, same thing, super bright, super tough, come with a 3-year warranty, ECE Reg 10, Reg 65, all of the stuff that you need on beacons. What else have we done on this? Well, we've done a full camera system. We've got the 360 surround camera system. It's got a DVR in the cab and a screen, all very standard stuff, to be perfectly honest. I won't bore you too much with that. Can't see much more from the front here, so if we reposition to around the side, I can show you what we've done on the back of the chassis. We have a harsh tipping gear kit. We've done previous video on PTO kit and tipping gear with harsh here, so if you want to watch that, click the little thing. This is just a single line tipping gear, factory fitted PTO on this Actros. So it's just a 205 litre tank on the side, obviously the hydraulic hose, and the nice little coupling at the side there, and the stowage point. And then we've also put in one of our chassis infills as well, just to extend that rear platform, just giving that extra little bit of safe working area there for plugging in the hose or the air lines or whatever it is the operator needs to do. That's our reverse punch tread on there, which we have on all of our tread safe platforms. Very similar to what the factories do, but we just do a little bit of an extra roll on ours. It's just a little less sharp on your hands if you fall over and that kind of thing, so it's a little, nice and safe. And then if we pan up, we've got a LUXMOV omnidirectional Velocity TV Aerial, which will be a clue because inside the cab there is a LUXMOV TV as well. That's the white version of the Aerial. We also do a black version of the Aerial as well, just in case, depending on what colour cab you've got, you can go with either. And that's, like I say, an omnidirectional one, so it's mounted on its side, it's broadcasting out all different angles to pick up as much of a signal as you possibly can on that one. So yeah, that's pretty much it on the back here. Let's jump inside. Here we are then. This is the 2.3 metre stream space, so it's the narrower cab, which I think this might be the first time we've shown our CabStore Locker on the channel for the narrow cab, so we'll get to that in a second. Being the narrow cab, the door sills are a bit extended, so the PTO lever we've had to put in on the left hand side of the seat. Made a nice bracket out for it there. Still obviously works with the factory pull out fridge there, so that's all part of the PTO kit. We've also got our 21-inch smart TV, LUXMOV Smart TV, obviously full HD, full LED. It's got Netflix, ITV, Hub, it's BBC iPlayer, all of your on-demand services. 12-24 volt, properly wired into the truck. It's also got a surge protector on it as well, because for those of you that may or may not know, sometimes when you start these newer trucks, they can peak up to 30-32 volts. So we've built in a proper surge protector on our LUXMOV TV, just to allow for that to happen. And then as we move up, we've got our narrow CabStore Locker. So you can see the main difference on the narrow one is it's got 2 of the larger doors rather than 3 doors. Still loads and loads of storage in place of the second bunk, and also in the near side locker there on the rear we've got the TruckChef Microwave. Again, 20 litres, 800 watts, powerful, fully type approved. We love TruckChef here. We say so much about it all the time. But yeah, other than that, oh no, hang on, the air conditioning unit, nearly forgot. So yeah, I explained it earlier, but this is the interior of the air conditioning unit from Indel B. So you can see you've got 3 omnidirectional fans there and the digital display. There's a remote control as well. So this cab, for whichever driver is getting it, is going to be a super comfortable place. Yeah, so that's great. So yeah, and I know another Mercedes on the channel, but we do enjoy working on these and all other brands as well. Everything I've shown you here is available for so many other brands of trucks, not just this particular one. So check out all the links below, because no doubt there'll be some stuff in the description. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. Drop a comment down below for some new stuff, new ideas that you might want to see us doing on the channel. We have still got the big truck giveaway going on, so if you haven't already, click here to watch the latest video and get entered on that. I've still not featured in this series, which I'm very frustrated about now, so I'm not sure what we're going to do about that, but hey ho. Anyway, like the video, subscribe, bell notification icon, and I'll see you next time.
So don't let it go, 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 go. So don't